Discover what life feels like in the soothing hues of modern style and everyday ease at The Park on Morton, a student haven in the spirit of Bloomington. These charming 1 to 4 bedroom apartments feature plush carpeted bedroom floors, energy-efficient appliances for seamless living, a balcony or patio to unwind, and in-unit laundry facilities to skip those tiring laundromat runs. Even better, your rent covers electricity, water, cable, and blazing fast internet. Study smarter in the cyber cafe with smart Macs and PCs. Then recharge with a killer workout in the fitness center, a dip in the refreshing pool, or catch up with friends in the outdoor lounge. With Pets Welcome, a 24/7 Amazon package hub, secure parking available, and resident events. Life here is a blast. Guess what? Indiana University and Kelley School of Business are just a sweet stroll away. And with the buses on College Avenue and Rogers Street, getting around the city is effortless. Don't settle for less when the Park on Morton Bloomington offers everything you need and more. Book now on amberstudent.com.